Stay tuned. eStudy FM makes online teaching and learning secure and fun. It's the most GDPR secure, interactive, visual and user-friendly tool for teaching and learning. With eStudy FM, remote teaching becomes child play, and you can now join it for free. eStudy FM is a user-friendly organizing tool for schools and tutors of any subject with tons of great features. Setting up your account is easy and secure, and you can use eStudy FM on any device online and offline. Teachers can create and organize subjects, materials, classes, courses, and tests. And they can showcase these tickets on our intuitive and interactive whiteboard tool. Students are notified and can receive shared and organized classes, courses, and tests. They can process and move tickets and submit homework to teachers. eStudy FM makes it easy to communicate with each other. It has a chat functionality and also the possibility to set up meetings through video, all private and secure. Teachers can easily give marks and assess students thanks to a very easy and transparent assessment tool. As you can see, eStudy FM is loaded with benefits. Discover it for yourself and join for free now.